Majalyk. Oh yeah, your name is Majalyk. Bum, bum, bum.
Hi, I'm Majalyk. Welcome to my Toy Box. Live and Diamond.
Hi, Majalyk.
Hi.
So what are we doing today?
Is Jengas.
Jengas.
What are you taking me to for?
Huh?
You were taking me. I saw you.
I was taking you?
Yeah.
You mean when I tried to tickle you?
Yeah.
Well, I thought it would be funny.
I said Jengas.
Oh, Jengas?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what are you going to do with Jengas? Oh, you're so strong.
You like black, right?
Yeah, I like black.
So I'm going
Can I have some black Jengas? Those don't look like Jengas. They look like dominoes. Or at least they're shaped like them. Actual dominoes have numbers
Look
on
at it.
them.
I'm going to hit you.
How many dominoes did I get? Let's count them. 1, 2,
You like pink too?
3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. So we got 10 black dominoes.
We had to put them back in.
Okay, it looks like we have 10 dominoes of each color.
You like blue too?
Well, except for maybe yellow, purple, brown, and red. So if we count them by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, red and blue make 50, yellow and brown make 60, green makes 70, indigo makes 80, forest green makes 90, and sky blue makes 100. We have 100 dominoes. Majalyk, can you count to 10?
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Okay.
3,
Yeah, that's right.
4,
Uh-huh.
5,
Yeah.
6,
Uh-huh.
6, 7,
Yeah.
8, 9.
Uh-huh. Wait, hold on, wait. I thought we were only doing one at a time. All right, continue.
9,
Uh-huh.
10.
Yeah! I love counting.
They're all yours.
You know, before we start building, let's do a little bit of math. Okay, Majalyk?
We don't have no map.
Yeah, we do. Maths and everything. For instance.
No, they're mine.
No, hold on. I want to teach you something. Let me teach you something. Come on.
Oh, I bet you.
Why? I just wanted to teach you a little something. All right, let's try again.
No.
Yeah. If we had one black one, and then we add one pink one, how many dominoes do we have now?
2.
That's right! I would clap, but I'm a little too fat for that. Let's try again. All right. If we add 2 pink ones, wait, no, that's a black one. Nah, 2 pink ones, and then 1 black one. How many dominoes do we have now?
2, 1, black 1, 2, pink 1.
Okay, so add them together. Adding is when we take the sum of the numbers that we collected.
3.
3! Bada bing, bada boom! Let's put them away.
Where's the big bad one?
What color are you adding over there now?
Orange and white. I have orange and white.
Orange and white, and I have pink and black.
I got you red.
You got me some red?
Yeah.
Awesome. Little known secret. Despite being blue, my favorite color is red. But don't tell anybody that, okay? Secret between you.
I hear you, Blue Diamond. I hear you.
What?
I hear you.
No, you don't. Can't hear anything. Can't hear a thing.
Blue Diamond.
Yeah?
Here.
Oh, awesome! I have all this red color.
I like purple.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Let's count how many red dominoes we have. 1, 2. What number comes after 2? 4?
3.
3! That's right. 3. And
4.
4?
5.
5! Yeah, that's right! To be honest, I think I was about to say Quetzal. I don't even know what that means. But I'm gonna find
Whatever, help me.
Huh?
I'm down here.
Oh no! Here, I got you. Yeah!
You're so strong.
Oh, thank you. Diamonds are the strongest material on the planet Earth.
I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bada bing, bada boom! Nice one, Majalyk.
We have 5.
We both have 5 of purple and red. So if we add 5 reds and 5 purples, what color do we make? Well, not color, but what number do we make? 5 plus 5 is what?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5.
Plus 1. Majalyk, add 5 reds plus 5 purples. Yeah! I want to teach you, Majalyk. Majalyk doesn't want to learn this time around, guys. Why not? Learning's so fun, don't you guys think? Majalyk, why won't you want to learn with me?
Yeah, I'm going to make a square.
Oh, I get it. Majalyk doesn't want to do regular adding. He wants to do geometry. So let's see what we got. What shape is that?
A square.
That's right. But it's also a square in 3D space. 3D is when something isn't 2D. And 2D is when something isn't 1D. And that explains nothing. But I know what I'm talking about.
Why are you laughing?
It's an inside joke between us adults.
I heard you, Blue Diamond. I heard you laughing.
Yeah, you did. So what? What are you gonna do about it?
Try again.
Huh?
You like yellow too?
I do like yellow.
I do. You like blue?
I like yellow a lot. Like when it's on the sun, or when it's on sunflowers. But I don't like yellow when it's on teeth. No yellow teeth.
Oh, leash. Look.
Say, Majalyk, what color is... What was that? Wait a minute. Are those 2 dominoes stuck together? Oh, wow, you're so strong. You managed to separate them like that.
Let's see, I'm going to give it to me or Blue Diamond.
Whoa, interesting. How many yellows do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3.
No, let me count.
Oh, you need to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome sauce. So we have 5 yellows.
Let's see.
I only have 4 fingers, Majalyk. 5 yellows. Awesome. Say, Majalyk, what color do you mix together to make green?
Yellow and green. Yellow and blue.
Awesome. Good job, Majalyk. High 5. Nice.
I heard your finger.
Ah, man, you high-five really hard. So.
Let's see, I'm going to give 2.
Huh?
Let's see, I'm going to give 2.
Say, Majalyk, what colors make orange?
Red and yellow.
Wow! Majalyk really knows his color. Brown is made when you combine all the primary colors together in one glob. And then you get the color brown.
This made the water eye.
Say, what's your favorite color, Majalyk?
It's both.
You like both?
I like a lot of colors.
I like a lot of colors too.
Do you like green?
Huh?
You like green?
I do like green, yeah!
You go ahead, 1 green.
1 green? Only 1? Man, what a cheat!
But you could put these together.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
So you have to get 1.
I can put 1 plus 1 and make 2. And that's the power of math.
I get 1 and 2. You like black?
I do like black, yeah.
This is brown. It is black.
Oops. Let's try and make.
It is black.
Let's try and make a domino chain, Majalyk.
Blue diamond. I give myself a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have them. I have.
Oh man, Majalyk, you made it fall. I just managed to get it right.
Let's see.
We have to make them stand up like this. Attention!
You want to do it with all of mine?
Huh?
I have a lot more.
You do have a lot more. Well, that's okay. I'm happy with what I got.
You have all these. Blue diamond, you're a dinosaur.
I'm a dinosaur?
Mm-hmm.
I've always wanted to be a dinosaur. I could be a diamond-saur.
You could be a diamond dinosaur.
What sound would a diamond saw?
Roar, roar. Roar, roar. Blue diamond.
Oh, yeah.
I tried to make it, so it failed.
It fell?
Mm-hmm.
Why do we think it fell?
Because Mommy made some noise.
It fell due to some noise? Well, it's not entirely impossible. Noise is a very powerful thing, but I think it fell due to gravity. Do you know what gravity is?
Mm-hmm.
What's gravity?
Because you make it fall.
Well, yeah, that is the power of gravity. Matter of fact, let me show you what it does. Ready? I'll show you the power of gravity right now.
No.
That's gravity. Gravity makes
Blue
things
diamond,
fall.
stop it.
What? My bad. Gravity is an invisible force that attracts everything to the surface of the earth.
I'm purple.
Alright, that's good.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's make a chain of 4 dominoes. Now, you know how I said we would talk about the transference of
Blue
energy?
diamond, I took some of yours.
You did?
I'm going to get some of your blacks.
Oh, man. But I guess it's all for a good cause. Do you know that energy exists all around us in many different forms?
Yes.
One form is called kinetic. Can you say kinetic, Majalyk?
Kinetic.
Yep. Now we're about to see what kinetic energy can do with these dominoes. You see, kinetic energy is in our punches, is in our runs, is in our body when we dance. Kinetic energy is all around us when things move. And the thing about energy transfer is that
What am I doing with my hand?
be careful, you don't want to topple that one domino. Gotta be extra careful. Careful, Masha! Careful, Masha! Careful, Masha! Careful, Masha!
Look. I bought careful.
My turn!
Don't do nothing.
No! That wasn't my fault, though. That was his fault.
You're very bad.
Me? What do you mean I'm bad? I'm a super good diamond. That's why I'm so shiny. Ding!
So you're so bad to make this whole thing fall.
I didn't make it fall. It was gravity. And also a loose domino he dropped. But we don't talk about that.
See?
What?
You made it fall.
I did.
Mm-hmm.
I'm an innocent bystander.
Stop here. I heard you.
I'm an innocent bystander.
I still hear you. But I still hear your voice.
No, you don't. You don't hear anything. I'm super silent. I can say whatever I want. You're not going
I said you.
No, you don't hear me.
I hear you.
Here's a super duper lesson.
I heard you, Blue Diamond.
You can't hear me. I'm silent.
I still hear you.
No, you don't. He doesn't hear me. He doesn't hear me. Cover your ears. Now, this is a super duper lesson about the power of energy and how it transfers. Did you notice how those dominoes fell? Kinetic energy is what happens when something moves. But did you know it transfers? For instance, I slap my leg like this. My leg moves like that. That's because the kinetic energy that was in my hand transferred to my leg. That's the same thing that happens to the dominoes. You see, when one domino falls, it builds up a little bit of kinetic energy. And since the other domino is similar in size, that energy is absorbed and it takes over. And it moves and falls in itself. And that creates a chain of kinetic energy transfer. That's why all the dominoes fell. If kinetic energy didn't transfer, none of the dominoes would have fallen after the first one. And that's the power of the energy transfer. Energy transfers in all different ways, like heat energy, and cold energy, and me energy, and you energy,
and me energy,
and you energy. Oh, energy is everywhere. So energy is everything.
Can you make all of those?
I'll try, but to do that, I'll need to take off my hand. All right, Majalyk. So thanks to some magical magic.
Look.
Yeah, what do we have?
We have a snake.
We have a domino chain. All right. Now, like I said before, energy transfers. If energy didn't transfer, then none of the dominoes would fall after the first one. But because it transfers, Majalyk, do you want to push the first domino?
What? We're going to make a little tiny snake for he's the daddy and he's the baby.
Majalyk, do you not want to topple the snake? I get it. A lot of hard work went into the snake, but not everything lasts forever. Sometimes we gotta let things.
I take care of you.
Oh, power of kinetic energy and how it transfers. It's been Blue Diamond and
Maja.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share,
subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe twice. Subscribe twice. Bye-bye. We had a lot of fun with the dominoes. Majalyk. Oh yeah, you name it.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.